In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create an automated link. You're going to start with going to the Infusionsoft logo to open the main menu. From the marketing section, we're going to go to settings, click on automation links, and then in the third section, you're going to click on create link. From here, we want to give it a name, so we're going to start with something that would tell you what you're working on. So for this instance, let's say it's blog, and then maybe the title of blog, which would be Eat Your Veggies. In the section right beneath the name, you have an area where you have a choice to say, send this person to a thank you page, or send them to some other page. So we're going to click on some other web page and put in the page of the blog. You have a little test link button here so that you can check and make sure that your link works. Okay, so we end up on the blog. In the link text, we're going to go ahead and put what we want the link to say. So it may be as simple as saying, again, eat your veggies. You can also format this area. So if the rest of your email has a certain style, you can go ahead and format the link right here. So we'll go ahead and choose some font options. And apply. So now you can see it changed the color just slightly. From here, you also have an area where you can put in an explanation if you're doing a plain text email. Link to blog, eat your veggies. And then you want to save. Once you've saved it, you can go over and do your actions. This is where you're going to be able to put in a tag or start a task or do something, have an action based on the fact that somebody clicked on that link. So for this, we're going to go ahead and say apply a tag. We're going to create a new tag, call it blog, and then click eat veggies. And then we're going to put this into a category. Typically you'll have a category called interests or something like that, where you're putting people tags that show that people clicked on something or did some action that you asked them to do. We're going to say create this tag. You can see that it's highlighted here. If you wanted to add additional tags at this point, you could hold your control button down and choose several more if you were of a mind to do multiple tagging. I'm going to go ahead and unclick those because for this example, we just want the one. And then save. If you wanted to do something like a task to do a follow-up phone call, you would add another action, create a task. And if you've got any saved tasks, you'd be able to choose that and say save, or add a new task here. Maybe it's call because they clicked on the blog, or call because they showed interest in a particular study. I'm going to go ahead and close this because we're not actually going to create anything extra at this point. I'm going to say save and close.